Hi, my name is Tom. I'm a senior engineer at Planika. I'm here to introduce you to Misr as a company, one of our best distributors, and the whole lineup of our gas, ethanol, and electric fireplaces. Many clients ask us about the safety of our fireplaces and what makes the Planika the safest fireplace manufacturer on the market currently. Well, it all boils down to the most basic principles on how to build the fireplace to make it as safe as possible. Especially when it comes to ethanol fireplaces, which uses ethanol, which is quite volatile in the use. You have to take safety under consideration straight from the beginning. Which isn't always the case when you consider other, maybe more cheaper options. From the ground, the Planika fireplaces have all sorts of spillage sensor, which will detect if any sort of liquid will be detected inside of the fireplace. It will also detect if the device is improperly installed, meaning if it's tilted to any side. It will detect any form of shock. So, for example, one of the guests will trip and put their hand right beside the fireplace. The device will detect it and switch itself off to avoid any dramatic consequences of that happening. To make the usage of the fireplace as safe as possible, we've also introduced the automatic refilling system. Along with the bioethanol fireplace, you will now get automated pump, which will exclude you from any contact with the fuel. You just need to connect it to the fireplace, to the fuel container, press the button, and the fuel pump will cease to work automatically when the fuel tank is full. Why is it important? Because it is very important. If you overfill the fuel tank in the bioethanol fireplace, it can create all sorts of dangerous situations. So you want to avoid it at any cost. And currently, Planika, being the safest company, the manufacturer of the safest fireplaces in the world right now, is giving you a specially designed automated fuel pump so you can feel safe. It's more or less the same when it comes to gas fireplaces, especially those patio heaters like Lighthouse and Faro, which are quite tall and intended to work outside. They have the tilt sensor, which will shut off the gas supply once the device changes its position out of the vertical axis to make it as safe as possible. And in fact, this system many times saved the evening for more of our clients when the wind just gets too much.